May learns to use the train in New York. Learn English through stories with English made easy. May had just arrived in New York City from China. She was excited but nervous because she barely knew English. Today she wanted to learn how to use the subway, which is also known as the train. As she stood at the subway station, May saw a big map on the wall. It had many lines and colorful routes. She remembered her English teacher saying, "Look for the signs," so she looked for the sign that said downtown. May found a man nearby. "Excuse me," she said slowly, "where is the train to downtown?" The man smiled and pointed. "Over there," he replied. May felt happy. She understood. Next, she saw a ticket machine. She was unsure how to use it. She took a deep breath and approached the machine. "One ticket, please," she said. The machine displayed the options. She pressed the button that said, "Buy ticket." Then she inserted her money and took her ticket. May followed the signs to the platform. She saw people waiting. "Is this the right place?" she thought. Then she heard an announcement, "Train to downtown arriving soon." When the train arrived, May felt a mix of excitement and fear. She remembered her English teacher's advice, "Hold the pole if you stand." So she stepped on the train and held the pole tightly. Inside the train, she saw many people. Some were reading and others were using their phones. May looked around and saw a friendly woman. "Hi," May said with a smile. The woman smiled back. "Hello." May practiced her English. "Where are you going?" she asked. The woman replied, "I'm going to work." May felt proud. She was speaking English. After a few stops, the woman said, "This is my stop." May waved goodbye. Soon it was her turn. She looked at her ticket and remembered, "Get off at the next stop." As she exited the subway, May felt happy and confident. She had learned how to use the subway and had spoken English. She smiled to herself. "I can do this." She was ready for her next adventure in New York City. The end.